I want to know how the hell does a Blackhawk helicopter and a commercial airliner, American Airlines, hit each other and end up in the Potomac River? That is a news break that just happened just now. There's no other news. I don't understand how the helicopter or the plane see any of it. Like, how did this happen? It's freaking crazy. So y'all be on the lookout. What y'all think it is? You think it was like a hijacking of the airplane? I think the helicopter could have got out the way. They would have noticed it. Or maybe it could have been a cyber type of thing that kind of jammed their radar or took control over both of their aircrafts. This kind of shit don't happen anymore. You know? A long time ago, like I remember being a kid hearing about planes landing and one taking off, hitting each other and stuff. That was like rare. That was people not doing their job. This is insane. I cannot wait to hear about this tomorrow because this is crazy. A suicide mission or something that still don't explain a Blackhawk helicopter. I mean, this thing can move and navigate like crazy. You know? I don't know. This is a terrible situation. And my heart goes out to the families and the people that was on that American Airlines flight. And the people that was on that Blackhawk helicopter. Man, this is major. All right, God bless y'all.